Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen gadgets with one of the best on the market, the Geedel Rotary Cheese Grater, renowned for its versatility and ease of use. Whether you're grating cheese for your pasta or slicing vegetables for a fresh salad, this grater promises to make your cooking experience a breeze. Unboxing the Geedel Rotary Cheese Grater, you'll immediately notice its sleek design and sturdy construction. Made with high-quality, food-grade materials, this grater is not just built to last, it's also safe for your family. The ABS plastic is BPA-free, ensuring that you're preparing healthy meals without any harmful chemicals. Let's see how it works. The Geedel grater comes with 3 interchangeable blades: slicing, shredding, and grinding. Each blade is made from durable stainless steel, ensuring they stay sharp and resist rusting over time. This means you can grate Parmesan cheese, shred carrots, or slice potatoes with incredible ease. Setting up is simple, thanks to the powerful suction base that keeps the grater stable on any smooth surface, be it your marble countertop or a glass table. With just a quick twist of the handle, you can get perfectly grated cheese in seconds. The design allows you to turn the handle effortlessly while the food pusher protects your hands, making it not only easy but also safe to use. Imagine grating fresh cheese for your favorite pizza or slicing vegetables for a colorful stir-fry. The Geedel grater handles it all. And when you're done, cleaning up is just as easy. Each part of the grater is detachable, and you can rinse it under running water or toss it in the dishwasher for a thorough clean. You won't spend precious time scrubbing away at hard-to-reach spots. Just a few seconds under the faucet and you're good to go. With over 26,000 ratings and a solid 4.6-star average, it's clear that users love the Geedel Rotary Cheese Grater. It's perfect for those who want to save time in the kitchen without sacrificing quality. Whether you're an amateur cook or a seasoned chef, this gadget makes food prep faster and more enjoyable. So if you're looking to elevate your cooking game, the Geedel Rotary Cheese Grater is definitely worth considering. Its combination of quality, safety, and ease of use makes it one of the best kitchen gadgets out there. That wraps up our review of the Geedel Rotary Cheese Grater. For more insightful critiques on kitchen tools and gadgets, don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique. Your next cooking adventure awaits. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.